Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hair conditioner at home. But before we go into the production proper, let's go through some safety precautions you need to take as you do this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's go through the list of chemicals needed to produce hair conditioner. These are borax, sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, cruda wax, nitrosol, paraffin oil, dicot A, and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 4 liters of hair conditioner. Borax 25 gram, sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, 25 gram, cetyl alcohol 25 gram, stearic acid 50 gram, cruda wax 25 gram, nitrosol 25 gram, paraffin oil 100 ml, dicot A 25 ml, and perfume 10 ml. Now let me show you the chemicals one by one and then we go into the mixing of the chemicals. This one here is called borax and this is sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. This is cetyl alcohol and this one here is called stearic acid. This is cruda wax and this is nitrosol. This is paraffin oil, dicot A, and perfume. Now let's go through the first step in the mixing process. Step 1. Boil 2 liters of water and add borax to it. Now stir the mixture very well and keep it aside. Now let's move to step 2. Put an empty pot on a fire. Now add the following chemicals to the pot: cruda wax, cetyl alcohol, and stearic acid. Now allow the content of the pot to melt. You can stir it if you want to make the melting process faster. When all the 3 chemicals, that is the cruda wax, cetyl alcohol, and stearic acid are melted, add the paraffin oil to the mixture. Now bring it down from fire and add the borax solution you initially prepared with boiled water to it. Now add the dicot A to the mixture and keep aside. Now let's move to step 3. Measure 2 liters of water and dissolve the nitrosol into it. Stir until all the nitrosol dissolves. Also, add the SLS into the nitrosol solution. Now mix the two solutions together, that is the nitrosol and SLS solution and the cream-like mixture made in step 2. Stir the mixture properly. Add your perfume to it and continue stirring. Ladies and gentlemen, your hair conditioner is ready for use. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng, or you can log on to our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.